What if the reason that salad never seems to work for your friend, but somehow works great for you, is literally written in your DNA? In the next 2 minutes, you are going to find out exactly how your genes secretly influence what foods your body loves, hates, and completely freaks out about. Here is the key insight. Your DNA is basically a giant instruction manual for running your body. And tucked inside that manual are specific instructions about how you process food, not general instructions. Your instructions, personalized ones, written before you even took your first bite of anything. Think about it this way. Imagine two people both buy the same car. Same model, same engine. But one car runs great on regular fuel, and the other one knocks and sputters unless you use premium. Same car, different performance, different needs. That is basically you and your coworker on the same keto diet getting completely different results. Here is where it gets wild. There is a gene called LCT that controls whether your body can digest lactose, which is the sugar found in dairy. Some people have a version of this gene that keeps working into adulthood. Others have a version that basically clocks out after childhood and says, I am done here. Good luck with that cheese plate. That is why some people can drink milk all day long, and others spend the afternoon regretting their life choices. And that is just one gene. You also have genes that affect how fast you process caffeine, how your body handles fats, whether carbohydrates fuel you or just quietly store themselves as belly regret, and even how strongly you taste bitter flavors like broccoli. Some people have a gene that makes broccoli taste genuinely awful. So if you hated vegetables as a kid, your DNA might owe you an apology. The wild part is, this whole field is called Nutrigenomics, which just means the science of how your genes and your food talk to each other. And it is growing fast. Companies now offer DNA tests that analyze hundreds of genetic variations to suggest personalized eating plans. Is it perfect science yet? Not completely. But the foundation is real, and it is only getting more accurate. But here's what most people miss. Your genes are not the whole story. They are more like a starting point. Your environment, your habits, your gut bacteria, and yes, whether you actually sleep enough all interact with your DNA to shape how food affects you. Your genes hand you a map, but you still get to choose the route. So the big takeaway is this. Your DNA does influence how your body responds to food, from dairy digestion to caffeine sensitivity to how you handle carbs. And understanding those differences might just be the reason one diet works for you and not your neighbor. Like the video and subscribe to Easy Genetics for more easy-to-understand genetics videos. Next time we are asking, can your genes predict how you respond to exercise? Because some people are built for marathons and some of us are built for the couch. And apparently both answers are in the DNA.